Holden has expanded its backing for its Supercar lineup, and now provides a degree of assistance to all the teams in the field running Commodores. For the past 2 seasons, Holden has focused its support on the AAA Run Factory squad. But now it has brought the rest of its customer teams into the fold. Erebus Motorsport, Walkinshaw and Ready United, Brad Jones Racing, Team 18, Techno Autosports and Matt Stone Racing have all been offered a support package that is understood to include parts and access to road cars. "What we've simply done is recognize the advocacy we get from the teams," said Holden's marketing boss Christian Aquilina. "It's not just a parts deal, it's a package of stuff. I don't want to go into detail today, but it helps ease their costs a little bit. I hope it's a small start to a longer-term relationship with all of the Holden teams. It's recognition of the fact that whenever they get out there driving a Holden-badged car around that track, they're representing us. And hopefully doing it in a way that advocates the brand. That's the opportunity we have with a closer relationship. We can talk about what our combined objectives are, and how we can help each other get there." While Erebus has already returned the Holden badges to the front of its Commodores, having run its own logo in their place last season, Aquilina says none of the teams will be asked to run additional branding in order to have access to the package. "It's up to the teams, really," he said. "There are no specific demands for signage that come with this. It doesn't come with a hook. It's just recognition. The contribution is not massive. It's a reasonably modest contribution to the team needs. Everyone has offered, 'Hey, how can we support Holden?' They all feel like they want to give something back to the brand as well, which is